Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you through the front matter of the teacher's edition for our Into Social Studies program. Okay, and you can see on the cover of this teacher's guide, I've chosen grade 3 communities near and far. And regardless of which grade level we're talking about, or regardless of which of the magazines we're talking about, the first thing you're going to see in the teacher's edition is the compelling question that is going to be uh, your main discussion question, your main thought that you want students to be thinking about as they read the magazine. And you can kind of see here that you've got a nice thumbnail image of the cover of that magazine. Okay, so what represents America's heritage or our shared history and traditions? All right. And then underneath that compelling question is going to be two options that you and your students are going to have available to you for project-based learning opportunities. Okay, so in this particular example, once again, we have students either creating a brochure about a landmark historical site or monument that is an important part of American heritage, or they have the option of working with classmates to plan and perform a patriotic show about the United States. And one of the wonderful things about this program is the different options that we have outside of a traditional test, which obviously we do have, okay, but project-based learning, super important at these beginning grade levels. So from here, I'm just going to start to continue to turn through what we call the front matter. Okay. On the left-hand side of the page is the table of contents where you see each spread of the magazine kind of broken out for you. Into Social Studies is a fantastic and flexible resource for teachers because it allows you to be very flexible with the teaching of the social studies content. So for example, if you wanted to use a spread of the magazine for a small reading group, or even just very quick digestible mini lessons for your whole group instruction, you could teach one spread of the magazine in roughly 15, 20 minutes. Okay. Or if you have a full period devoted to social studies instruction, you could, for example, choose to do 2 or 3 full pages of instruction or of reading from the magazine. So you've got that broken down for you on the left. Now on the right, you have listed out for you all of the different types of resources that are going to be used in the teaching and exploring of the magazine. So listed out here, you've got vocabulary cards, your vocabulary network. Okay, there's a school to home newsletter that could be sent home with your students. Okay, the different types of assessments, the rubrics for those project-based learning opportunities that I just spoke about a moment ago. Okay, and one thing that I know from working with teachers that's super helpful is the 3 different buckets that you see at the bottom of the page for independent reading. And it's broken out into basic, proficient, and advanced. So again, if we want to build out resources for our students, got a couple of options there that will tie in nicely to the magazine content. If I turn the page, you are going to see things like the language Xray, where I'm able to zoom in onto specific pieces for support and scaffolded instruction to help our students to understand the text, right? Specifically genre, words and phrases, different cultural references that are being made, okay? And both in the front matter, and then once you get into each of your lessons, you're always also going to see differentiated instruction. So right from the top down to the bottom for struggling learners, learners with disabilities, your English language learners, and your advanced learners. So again, prior to jumping into the magazine, you've got some some outlines here, and then you'll see in a moment when you get to a lesson where these callouts are right at point of use for the teacher. Next, you have your vocabulary or your options for vocabulary instruction. I mentioned the vocabulary cards when we were going through the table of contents. You will see those again listed here, the different terms that are used in this particular magazine. Oftentimes there are word searches or different types of word puzzle worksheets that go along with the vocabulary, and an introduction, to the vocabulary network. Many of the schools that I've used the Into Social Studies program with have raved about the vocabulary networks and how, by using these in their instruction, have allowed students to really build their social studies vocabulary. Okay, so something also to take a look at there. Now, in the second video, I'm going to actually jump into what a lesson looks like within the Teacher's Edition. So join us for that.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the HMH International Content Cares YouTube channel. If you're looking for more content, click on the video to the right of your screen. Welcome to our global community.